Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Do you feel more tired, foggy, or stiff than you used to, even when you're eating healthy? Here's something shocking. Many people start losing muscle, gut diversity, and metabolic flexibility as early as their 30s, and it quietly affects skin, weight, hormones, and even mood. But the good news? You can reverse a lot of this naturally. Stay until the end, because I'll share the one daily habit that supports gut health, energy, skin glow, and weight balance at the same time. No supplements required. This isn't about quick fixes or aesthetics. A real glow-up happens from the inside out, when your gut, muscles, hormones, brain, and sleep are working together. When those systems are supported, the benefits show up everywhere. Clearer skin, better energy, easier weight management, sharper thinking, stronger joints and muscles. Over the next 30 days, we'll build this from the inside out. If you want to glow, your gut has to glow first. You have trillions of microbes inside you, and they directly influence mood, immunity, inflammation, skin aging, and metabolism. Two science-backed goals: increase diversity of gut bacteria and increase beneficial bacteria. How to do that? Eat fiber from diverse sources: vegetables, legumes, seeds, whole foods. Include fermented foods regularly, not once in a while. Fiber feeds good bacteria. Fermented foods introduce new helpful strains. But go slow. Sudden increases can cause bloating. Gradual changes work best. When your gut thrives, it produces compounds that reduce inflammation, support brain health, and improve insulin sensitivity. Start today. Add one new plant food and one fermented food to a meal. This is the foundation your glow-up is built on. Not all workouts create the same results. The goal: movement with purpose. Strength training at least 3 days a week supports metabolism, preserves muscle and bone, and improves glucose control, plus 2 additional movement days: walking, dancing, light cardio. Active recovery matters. Gentle movement keeps circulation and hormones balanced. Muscle is not just for looks, it's a metabolic organ. Losing muscle makes everything harder, from fat loss to blood sugar control. If this is helpful, keep watching. Next is how to reduce energy crashes, cravings, and skin aging without changing what you eat. And if this kind of science-based wellness content helps you, a like or subscribe really supports the channel. You can eat the same meal, but how you eat it changes everything. Big glucose spikes can lead to fatigue, brain fog, cravings, and faster aging of skin and organs. Move after meals, even a short walk or squats. Add fiber or protein first. Use acidic foods like vinegar. Avoid eating carbs alone. Flatter glucose curves. Jogger, steadier energy, better mood, easier weight control. Sometimes it's not just what you eat, it's what you breathe, wear, and absorb. Modern toxins can interfere with hormones, metabolism, and even fat storage. Ventilate your home, reduce plastics, support detox through movement, sweating, fiber, and hydration. When your gut and liver are supported, your body becomes much better at detoxing naturally. A constantly overstimulated mind keeps the body in stress mode. Even 15-30 minutes a day can lower cortisol and improve sleep, digestion, and habits. You don't change by willpower alone, you change by identity. Sleep is your free overnight beauty and repair system. Poor sleep worsens gut health, increases cravings, accelerates muscle loss. Aim for consistent quality sleep. Most people need 7 to 9 hours, and hydration matters more than most realize. Even mild dehydration can lower focus and mood. The simplest check? Your urine color. Pale yellow is ideal. Sip consistently throughout the day. To glow up sustainably, feed your gut, build muscle, reduce glucose spikes, lower toxin exposure, calm your mind, prioritize sleep, stay hydrated. These small daily actions compound into massive change. Here's the one daily habit that supports gut health, energy, skin glow, and weight balance, all at once. Before breakfast or coffee, blend a fiber-first smoothie with prebiotic fiber, protein, and healthy fats. It feeds your good gut bugs, stabilizes blood sugar, supports muscles and skin, and keeps you full and focused for hours. Choose one small step today. Consistency over perfection. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe and comment below if you're ready to start your glow-up journey today. You have everything you need to begin.